So when transitioning into cybersecurity, you're gonna want to know certain things about the industry, and then what is the overall goal that we're trying to reach. Now we already went over the CIA triad, and we set up a basis of we want confidentiality, we want integrity, we want availability. But what does that mean to a business? What does that mean to your employer? Well, their assets is the data. Something that is important to them. So, whatever that asset may be, they are hindered by threats. And those vulnerabilities pose a threat to the asset, which becomes a risk. Okay, so as a newbie coming in, I want you to understand that we are protecting assets for the business, whatever that may be. It may be recipes, it may be bank accounts, it may be students' information, it may be customers' credit card numbers. All of these things are assets. And if they are manipulated or changed in any way or stolen, then it poses a risk to that company. Now, their risk tolerance will go as far as what type of control to put in place and how severe we actually want to tighten that control on those assets. Okay, so if I really am kind of laid back type of a business, I'm in the business of taking more risks, then I will not have so many security controls locking down my processes in order for me to make money, right? So, as a newbie, I want you to understand that we are in the business of protecting the business assets. And those threats are things that can hinder the assets, destroy the assets, leak the assets, or change the assets in any type of form, right? The threat is going to be something that we want to either get away from, move on to someone else, such as insurance. So you could transfer the threat, or the you could transfer that type of risk onto someone else. We might want to mitigate it, so we want to put a firewall in place to not necessarily eliminate the threat, but mitigate the risk down to an acceptable risk. Okay, so that's what I want you to think of when it comes to the overall goal of cybersecurity, is being able to help a business move forward with their operations, but in a secure manner.